Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to study of plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is also known as a biomembrane. Plasma membrane is also known as a biomembrane, cell membrane and plasma lemma. Plasma membrane is semi-fluid structure in all type of cells. Plasma membrane is a semi-fluid structure present in all type of cells, prokaryotic cell as well as eukaryotic cells. It is present extracellularly around to the protoplast and intercellularly around to the most of the cell organelles. It is present extracellularly around to the protoplast and intercellularly around to the most of the cell organelles. It is a plasma membrane outermost boundary in animal cells. Plasma membrane is outermost boundary in animal cells, and in plant cells it is covered by the cell wall because animal cells do not have a cell walls. That's why first outermost boundary is a plasma membrane in animal cells. In plant cells, plasma membrane covered by the cell wall. It is measuring about 75 Armstrong in thickness. It is measuring about 75 Armstrong in thickness under observed to the electron microscope. Under observed to the electron microscope. Plasma membrane chemically composed of proteins and lipids in equal proportion. So what is the chemical composition of plasma membrane? Plasma membrane chemically composed of proteins and lipids, and their proportion is equal. Protein and lipid is in equal proportion. Plasma membrane of RBC, red blood cells, it consists of 52% of proteins and 40% lipids. Plasma membrane, semi-permeable membrane, also known as a selectively permeable membrane. Why plasma membrane is also known as a semi-permeable membrane or selectively permeable membrane? Because the important function of the plasma membrane, regulation of materials in and out of into the cells. Important function of the plasma membrane, regulation of materials in and out cells. Plasma membrane allow to the only specific substances in and out to the cells during the metabolic activity. Plasma membrane allow to the only specific substances, selected substances in and out during the metabolic activity, like such as water, gases and salt. The micromolecules of water, gases and salt is enter during the metabolic activity of cells through the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, it is helpful in intact molecule active transport and passive transport. That's why plasma membrane is also known as a selectively permeable membrane. Therefore, plasma membrane is also known as a selectively permeable membrane. We are going to the study of fluid Mogic model. Fluid Mogic model means plasma membrane, and this fluid Mogic model is proposed by the Singer and Nicholson. Fluid Mogic model proposed by the Singer and Nicholson in 1972. This model, fluid Mogic model, most accepted model of plasma membrane. Fluid Mogic model is the most accepted plasma membrane models. Now, according to these models, the plasma membrane fluid Mogic model is consist of fluid matrix and phospholipid bilayer molecules. So, we are going to the study of fluid Mogic model means plasma membranes models, and these models proposed by Singer and Nicholson in 1972. Now we are going to study of fluid magic model. Fluid magic model means plasma membranes models. Plasma membrane is also known as a biomembrane, cell membrane, and plasma lemma. It is a similar name of a plasma membrane. So we are going to study of fluid magic model. Fluid magic model is the most accepted models of plasma membrane, and fluid magic model discovered by Singer and Nicholson. Fluid magic model proposed by Singer and Nicholson in 1972. According to this model, fluid magic model, it is consist of plasma membrane is consist of fluid matrix and phospholipid bilayer molecules. According to this fluid magic model, plasma membrane is consist of fluid matrix and phospholipid bilayer molecules. Phospholipid bilayer molecules. Plasma membrane is consist of fluid matrix and phospholipid bilayer molecules. Each phospholipid bilayer molecule consists of two types of protein, such as extrinsic proteins and intrinsic proteins. Each phospholipid bilayer molecule is consist of two types of proteins, extrinsic protein and intrinsic protein. Each phospholipid bilayer molecule is consist of two types of proteins, extrinsic proteins and intrinsic protein. Each phospholipid bilayer molecules has head and two tails. Each phospholipid bilayer molecules has head and two tail. Head and two tail. The head is a hydrophilic and tail is a hydrophobic. Friends, you can see here the fluid magic model. This is a diagram of fluid magic models. Plasma membrane is consist of proteins and lipids. This is proteins, means glycoproteins. This is glycolipids. Chain of proteins, glycoproteins, chain of glycolipids. Fluid magic model is consist of phospholipid bilayer molecules. This is a phospholipid bilayer molecules. This is phospholipid bilayer. Bi means two layers. Then phospholipid bilayer molecules is consist of head and tail. Head and tail. You can see here okay. This is phospholipid molecules, only molecule, not a bilayer molecules. It is head and phospholipid bilayer molecules. Phospholipid molecules has head and two tails. Head is a hydrophilic and tail is a hydrophobic. There are two types of protein present in fluid magic model, means plasma membrane. This is a extrinsic proteins. Extrinsic proteins means peripheral proteins. Extrinsic proteins is also known as a peripheral proteins because these are present in a peripheral region of the plasma membrane. Means fluid-Mogic models. Peripheral region means this is circle. This bond is a peripheral of circle. Therefore, the extrinsic protein present on the peripheral region of the plasma membrane. That's why this protein is known as a peripheral protein, also known as a extrinsic proteins. And second type of protein present in fluid-Mogic model is a integral proteins. Integral proteins present in inner regions of the fluid-Mogic models. Here, the integral proteins present in inner region of the plasma membrane. That's why this protein is known as a integral protein, also known as a intrinsic proteins. Integral protein present in inner region of the fluid-Mogic models. The fluid-Mogic model, it is consist of phospholipid bilayer molecules. This is one molecules of phospholipid, another molecules of phospholipids. That's why these molecules known as a phospholipid bilayer. Bi means two layers molecules. Chain of glycoproteins. Here chain is a glycolipids. It is a protein channels present in inner region. And these are a cytoskeleton filament present lower region of the fluid-Mogic models. The function of plasma membrane. We are going to study of function of the plasma membrane. Now we are going to study of function of plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. The main function of the plasma membrane: transport molecules across to the cell membrane. The main function of the plasma membrane: transport of molecule across to the cell membrane. There are two transport occurs in plasma membrane, such as the first is a passive transport and second one is a active transport. The main function of the plasma membrane is a transport molecules across to the cell membrane. Main function of the plasma membrane: transport molecules across to the cell membrane, plasma membrane. Due to the transportation, there are two type of transport, such as a active transport and passive transport. First is a passive transport. And second one is a active transport. First one is a active transport. Passive transport. In passive transport does not require energy in the form of ATP. During to the passive transport does not require energy in the form of ATP molecules. In passive transport does not require energy in the form of ATP molecules. Then water moves by the osmosis process. In passive transport, water moves by osmosis process. Next function of in passive transport, polar molecules does not passes through the non-polar lipid bilayer molecules. Polar molecules does not passes molecules does not passes through non-polar bilayer molecules. In active transport, during to the active transport, few ions or molecules are transported across the cell membrane against the concentration. Against the concentration means lower to higher concentration. In active transport, few ions means potassium ion, sodium ions, few ions, and some molecules transport lower concentration to higher concentration. At that time require energy in the form of ATP molecules, means lower to higher against concentration. That's why require energy in the form of ATP molecules. Require energy in the form of ATP molecules. And in active transport, import safe to the cell and protect it from the mechanical injury. This is a function of plasma membrane. Friends, in this lecture we have studied about plasma membrane. Thank you.